Yeah, I think that's good. Like pretty important. What you said is that there are supplements. Obviously, they're supposed to supplement you, help you out, not just do the work for you. You know, like is that one of the things like that you would want to see kind of changed or addressed, like in the like fitness industry, or is it like people always say like pretending to be like the fake influencers or like the gym trainer, the online like gym trainers that have no idea what they're talking about, or what's something that you guys would like see that there's a problem and maybe needs to change?
That's the number one problem we have, that we will continue to push is the basics. Too many people are following, to example, Gary Brecka's test, 10x health. 10x health. And no, I think Gary is a good person, but he spit some bull crap. People need to be called out, and they might even be good people. I'm not even saying that. I'm saying the work just needs doing. The basics are what change your life, and people don't know that because they get all this information on social. So I don't even blame them. They get all this information that maybe this new technique or this new tool will give me the best results. It's false. It's going to give you some small benefits for sure, and maybe even should be a part of your lifestyle. But again, we want to call out and make it known that the basics are it. Eating great, finding that calorie target you need to hit, the protein target you need to hit, finding the right amount of sleep for your body, and then finding the right training so you can train hard and build muscle. That's it. That's what we want to see.
I think what kind of goes into it is that a lot of them, they build like a huge following on social media. So they're like almost anything they put their name on, it's just like another revenue stream for them. And it's, I mean, and it's hard because then they look at something, they're like, oh, I'm going to take this and I'm going to look like The Rock. I was like, well, they don't know The Rock works out like 3 hours a day either, you know?
or like the big old controversy that the Liver King had, like, oh no, I'm clean, I'm natty. But in reality, he's not. It's like, how do you expect people to, like there's like basics or like a message behind what they're saying, which is true, but then how they're putting it out into the world, that's like, you're kind of just lying to all these people. Like, come on, dude.
That's one of the biggest like things that annoy me and Jake is like, hey, if you're on any supplemental like enhancement drugs, just be honest about it. No one's gonna hate you because a lot like testosterone's great. Like if you need that as like if you're getting older and it works great for you, or peptide, if you're on peptides or whatever it is, be honest about it. Why are you trying to hide behind that? Like, hey, good. If it's working for you, if that's what you want to do, great. And we're probably gonna supplement that for our clients down the road, like testosterone or whatever they need. But it's like, where's the honesty to that? There's no honesty in a lot of the industry, or it's just coaching in general. Yeah, coaching.